guys, I'm Shivdanya, the creative director of The Perfect Story. Hope all of you are safe and sound. Today I'm collaborating with Microbazaar, a platform which encourages women entrepreneurship and their network. And I'm so glad I'm doing this with them, and they were kind enough to reach out to me. Today I'll be talking about my entrepreneurial journey, and it's just a few questions that I'll be answering. So to start off with, tell us about your business and how satisfied you are with your work. I started off The Perfect Story in 2018 along with two other partners, Karuna and Siddharth. And the journey's been great so far, and we specialize in wedding planning, and we look forward to and we believe we create unique experiences for our clients and guests. A wedding planner can never be satisfied with their work as such, because they're constantly looking at doing something better always. And we love our work, and we look forward to doing much more beautiful events in future. How many years have you been doing this business? I started off in this industry in 2013 along with a friend of mine, and 4 years down the lane I felt the need to start my own wedding planning business, and it's been going strong. It's been 7 years and I love what I'm doing. Do you think self-employment or own business or working space needed for women in this society? Yes, of course. It's better to be your own boss and build your own dream than to build someone else's. And I see a lot of women entrepreneurs sprouting up, especially in India, whether be like businesses or firms or network which supports women entrepreneurship. So a lot of women entrepreneurs are encouraging other women entrepreneurs, and I'm really glad that they're doing that. Especially in a pandemic like this, I do have a lot of friends and family who are starting small businesses, and I really hope we support them during this situation. So if you feel that your corporate job is unfulfilling or stifling, I think it's high time you start your own business, right? So you might as well leave a legacy that you're proud of. And yes, so the next question is, why women prefer jobs rather than self-owned businesses, and why women entrepreneurs are less compared to men? Well, this is actually the opposite. Like I mentioned earlier, there are more women entrepreneurs right now compared to earlier days, and the mentality of women earlier was probably that they're more safe and secure with a 9-to-5 job, but it's not the case right now. Right now, the women feel that they need flexibility so they can balance a healthy lifestyle between work, and they can charge what they're actually worth, because I feel in corporate jobs, the problem of equal pay still exists, and they have more control over their future as such. Like when you have your own business, you know where you're going to go, you know what you're going to be. Whereas in a corporate job, when you're working for someone else, there might be organizational changes which can lay you off anytime. And being your own boss gives you the advantage to advance more quickly. Like, not to compare, but even in corporate jobs, even though you're doing the same work as men, even though you're having the same face-to-face conversations, meetings, finishing off deals, men are still given the opportunity to advance, like in promotions, more quickly compared to women. And at the end of the day, you need to follow your own passion, and that's what's important. And do you think there's scope or good future for women in your business? There's scope for women in any business, but if you're particular about my business, yes, this is a part I love, because in my industry we deal with a lot of family bonds and emotions, and I think women do have the advantage of scoring well in that, and it's a creative industry, it's a creative space, and you can explore a lot in this industry. So to all the women who are looking forward to starting a career in wedding planning or event management, all the best to you, and I hope well for all of you. Thank you so much, Microbazaar, for doing this with me. It was a pleasure, and thank you so much for encouraging women entrepreneurs like me, who in turn can actually help and give some few insights which was probably helpful for you. So hope to see you again. Thank you. Bye.